Hello everyone, I'm Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. As a real estate agent, we are always on the lookout for good buy properties, one which we will not hesitate to recommend to our clients or friends, or maybe even buy for ourselves.
Today, I'm excited to show you one good buy property, one which I would strongly recommend you not to miss. Located at Block 816 Jurong West Street 81, we have a beautifully and practically renovated HDB 5-room flat, which you only need to bring in your luggage to call it a home. What is unique about this flat, which is a rare find in the market, is the double volume high ceiling in one of the common bedrooms, making it ideal if you like to have a loft bed or a double height library or anything you can imagine. Besides the uniqueness and rarity of this particular unit, we are also in a location that is quiet and peaceful, yet surrounded by amenities for your daily essentials, making it a great choice for most, if not all, home hunters.
Let's begin by looking at the layout of the flat. This is a 5-room I model standing at 124 square meters or 1,335 square feet. The original layout comprises of an L-shaped hall separating the living and dining, giving you a well-defined space. Kitchen is spacious, so are the master bedroom, common bedrooms 1, 2 and 3, where the latter doubles as a study. There is also a window at the corner of the flat, which is good as it allows in more natural light. Let's take a further look. First of all, bedroom 3 has been merged with the original dining area to form a larger living hall, while the dining area has been positioned to just outside the kitchen. This allows more space, where we now have a foyer right at the entrance. The store has been shifted from beside bedroom 1 to beside bedroom 2. This is actually a fair arrangement as bedroom 1 will become even more spacious, as bedroom 2 remains tall with the double volume high ceiling. Finally, the door of the master bedroom has also been repositioned from the center to the side, freeing up more space to lay your furniture while enhancing privacy. Enter the flat, and what greets you is a tastefully renovated home with soothing color combination that is cozy and comfy. With so much space all around, you'll be spoilt with endless options of how you like to furnish and decorate your home. What's more, with such generous space, it will be wonderful to host your guests during festive occasions. Kitchen is minimalist. Again, with plenty of space, whether you want an island top or a breakfast table, the choice is yours. Master bedroom, the most important place of a home where the owner relax and rejuvenate for the next day, is practically spacious too. Bedroom 1 is long and can fit in a double bed, gaming cum working desk, and wardrobes, all with ease. Bedroom 2 sports a double volume high ceiling. You can fit in the loft bed, a tall library, or anything you can imagine. First of all, getting around is really a breeze. We are a short bus ride away from the Pioneer MRT station, Boon Lay MRT station and bus interchange. Come 2027, when the Gek-Poh MRT station of the Jurong region line becomes operational, our convenience will be further enhanced as this station will only be a 10-minute walk away. Talking about Gek-Poh, the current shopping center where you can get all your daily essentials, alongside the Gek-Poh Community Center, will be revamped and reopened in 2028. There are plenty of eateries within walking distance, like the coffee shops at Block 815 and 851, the Nanyang Neighborhood Center, Pioneer Mall, as well as Jurong Point. For families with young school-going children, Block 816 is surrounded by 4 primary schools within a 1 kilometer radius. These schools are West Grove Primary, Westwood Primary, Jurong West Primary, and Signan Primary.
So there you have it, a unique 5-room flat that's rarely available in the market. If you do not want to miss the opportunity to be the proud owner, scan this QR code, get in touch with me now, and I'll be happy to show you around. Once again, I'm Mark Lim of OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, signing off. Cheers.